Today, on this very historic and auspicious occasion for all the Buddhists in Belgium and, in fact, all the Buddhists across Europe, on behalf of Trichen Organizing Committee of the Kalachakra 2016, I would like to welcome His Holiness, the 41st Sakya Rinpoche, the Grand Lord of Sakya Order of Tibetan Buddhism, to Brussels, the heart of Europe. The joy of having Your Holiness seated on the teaching throne before us for the bestowal of Kalachakra initiation is truly inexplicable, and it is a dream come true for all of us who have worked for months and years for this event. I would also like to extend a special welcome to His Eminence Vajra Rinpoche, who has been our guide and inspiration making this event a reality. May I also express our sincere welcome to His Eminence Trichen Rinpoche, His Eminence Lungsi Siddharth Vajra Rinpoche, Her Eminence Gyatso Kusho, Gyatso Tichin Lamo, Yayo Chemo. Heartiest welcome to all the respected guests, including the Secretary of Tibet Office and Carlo Lux, the President of Buddhist Union of Belgium, to this teaching. Last but not the least, on the behalf of Organizing Committee, I would like to welcome all our sponsors and all participants who have traveled across the globe for this particular event. Thank you.